Enjoy maintenance-free living in this lightly lived-in townhome. Offering an open concept on the main floor. 2-car garage with direct access into mudroom that offers a pantry and double coat closet with entry into spacious kitchen. Powder room, living room, dining, and fantastic foyer complete the main floor. Upstairs you'll enter into a generous loft area that offers a sense of privacy, 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms and convenient laundry room. Lower level has been professionally finished, offering an additional living space that can be flexible for whatever you need it for. This townhome is bright and open, has neutral decor, beautiful windows and slider allowing plenty of light and a view of thoughtful landscaping, perfect for easy living and entertaining. The Enclave offers a private community inground pool for residents to enjoy along with walking trails.